doesn't look so bad, huh? Until you get to getting up close and personal. That looks horrible. While turning our investment properties into homes, we also do dump rentals and licensed home inspections. Come along for this inspection. Bae was checking for moisture because, as you can see, something going on. I don't know if it's just bad, but I'm gonna say different craftsmanship.
Oh, terrible. They don't know what the hell they doing.
I was telling Bae like, at least I didn't start off like that with my mud. Honestly, it's a lot going on.
That boy needs a break.
Windows need love too. Make sure you check on them every now and then. This one is on its last leg. From a distance, the kitchen don't seem like it's that bad. Lean with me, rock with me. A sloping floor situation.
So all you gotta do is just keep putting out the same energy you're doing. So more and more people gonna be hitting you up.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's definitely dripping. Let's see if it can hold water and drain.
It's not holding water, bubbles will come up. It's draining, it's just leaking.
Let's try that again. Let's test these GFCIs. So this is a good thing because if you drop the flowers in the sink, what'll happen?
You won't get electrocuted.
Hopefully. Look, we gotta make sure we put that disclosure. He said, forget it, we gonna make this work. They didn't paint it the broke down door latch. Well, I mean, hey, it works. It just look crazy. It worked. It's your girl right in the mirror. I got my rain gear. Y'all know how I'm feeling. No, the mirror dirty though. Oh, that's looking good. Okay, y'all see it green? Now let's trip it to see if you drop that blender in the water. Y'all remember, y'all better be paying attention and learn. Oh yeah, I forgot. Holy bitch. Okay, that worked. Now, let's reset it. And that works too. Not only can you save yourself, but you can save frying out your electric. Okay, because electric work ain't cheap. It's a photo shoot. It's a photo shoot. So this is what you call being creative. When you don't feel like buying a pull string, get you a little piece of cloth, okay? Highly do not recommend.
They need to make that longer.
They said forget the fan. They said it's cold anyway. So this is pretty interesting. They done figured out that this look like some dang on stain on top of polyurethane. And that ain't how it's supposed to go, man. does not work at all. Nope. Nope. They don't believe in working.
I guess not.
Pull up to the scene with your screen missing. Pull up to the scene with your screen gone. Oh shit. Almost fell. I didn't see this stuff. Homie. Hey, he's a silent killer. You see how he's blending in? Dang, look at that. They tried to put some roller roofing down. Y'all see that? Look. They got all that heat seeping out. Look at this. Oh my gosh. That is absolutely nothing. Wow. Let it go. Where? Oh my god. He dying. Oh my, this looks freaking horrible. Like, what the heck? I'll take the sapper. Man, I don't think I'm gonna be able to reach it. Sure.
No.
What is it? Probably something.
0.
Wow.
Oil.
Why would they do that?
That's like a waterproof.
That looks horrible.
Damn, that shit cracked.
And this is supposed to be support.
What's holding me out?
Man, house got a new roof, but got some mess like this going on under the roof. That's what you call putting a band-aid on something.
We need to get an inspection.
Man.
We need to start inspection services on even on houses that's rent.
Man, for real. Like, you want me to check out your rental? No. There's not a filter on. These walls are warping. And even worse, look at that. You probably can't even tell, but that's literally like bone. Dang, they're about to cave in. Wait, babe, the proper term for this is sheathing, right?
This is sheathing. These is rafters.
So technically the sheathing is bowing.
Yeah, but the rafters is the important thing, but the sheathing attached to the rafters. So just go first, second, then the roof. So when you fall through the roof, you fall through the sheathing. But if these motherfuckers crack, you fall through these motherfuckers too. This all this shit blowing, and one of the reasons is probably right here. You're not supposed to screw in the middle of a damn rafter or like floor joists and nothing.
Wow.
And look, and this one crazy because the crack right here where this damn knot was at. And then by them having this on here, I don't make it no better.
So you fall, your electric will fall too?
It might hold you up a little bit.
Oh, I guess. But this should be dry though.
You gonna have some moisture because outside.
This looks like one of them fun houses. Really like warping. Welcome to the jungle. We got fun and games. I spy a little moisture going on here. I just want to be a nurse so bad right now. Pricking stuff. It look like they trying to help somebody get downstairs quicker. Like literally. This a nice little DIY. They got them a piece of wood and threw some paint on that blue. Yes or no? As long as I ain't falling down the stairs, I'm good. I'm good with it. You feel me? Houston, we have a problem. A little shaky situation. Do not want nobody to be down there on the floor. So this was the best window in the house so far. Check this out. It's like a freaking, almost like a dog cage door type vibe going on with that. He was trying to shut down. I'm like, oh no, hold on, wait a minute. Wait a minute. See if it do it over here. Uh-oh, that is not good. Dang. Do the floor too?
Yeah, even though it look like water.
Hold on, let me make sure. Oh, yeah. Dang. Baby been saying, pay attention to them water spots. This is a heads up that you may have a moisture issue. Because just look at this. Look at that. And it's still warm. Got a little coat of paint going on over here, but oh, what's this? Let's see. Moisture. Got holes in the wall. Holes in your drawer. No.
This is scary. No, but
I ain't scared.
get in here then. See, water pumping.
Oh, dang, look. That water or dirt? Yep. Look at that. Dang, that boy immediately went to 30. 30? Wow. That's crazy.
How many layers do y'all think? A whole damn lot. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Dang. Not only that, look at this. Big sag in there. That's what we seen on the inside. Big bruh. I'm gonna need you to shut up, big bruh. Your mama. But yeah, look at that big sag. Whole lot of layers. Stuff you can't see from the ground.
These stairs say lean with me, rock with me. Something's wrong here. Do you spot any issues? Look at this. The report is going to say deteriorated. That is not supposed to do that. You lying. Man, I would be too done if that is really supposed to be support. I don't believe it.